Yo, what is up, legends? My name is Wikus and welcome to the Week Trading channel. In last week's video, I explained that the market should continue bullish and that I'm aiming to hit the mark of 15,700. This week was quite an interesting week as it moved a bit fast and then absolutely no movement for quite some time. And on Friday, we had a bit of a fake out to the bottom and then a jump to the top. It was an interesting week, a very consolidating week, and it made it difficult for the majority of traders to be in the market as the market did quite a bit of fake outs in that consolidation zone itself. This week, I am seeing that the market should still continue bullish to hit that 15,700 mark, maybe even go a bit higher to 15,750 at this stage, but we'll see what happens and what the market holds for us. For now, let's straight into the market and see what areas we can look for to get more buys or maybe possible small sells in the market for the week ahead. Oh, and before I forget, please click on the like button, the subscribe button, as well as the bell notification to be notified when I upload more videos to YouTube. And once again, before I take too much of your time, let's get straight into the market. Okay, so I had to change the setup around me with the lighting and everything because the sun decided to shine straight into my face and I absolutely looked like a flippin' LED light. So let's have a look at what the market holds for us this week. So on the weekly pattern, we finally broke out of this area that the market continuously just hovered around inside. Now, this week, we did not go back into that area at all, even though we opened there, but the market went out of it and stayed out of it completely. So the market had a very strugglish week on moving. On Monday, we had a nice push to the upside, but on Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, absolutely nothing happened in the market, except a little pull down on Thursday, and then Friday, once again, a massive continuation to the top. So it was a very frustrating week in the market. If we look at the setup on the daily, currently we do have this trend line that the daily has formed there and the market broke out of it on Monday, and the market did not yet come back down to retest it, as well as the weekly consolidation box that has not been retested yet. So I'm expecting some movement at some time this week for the market to do that, seeing that the previous daily ABCD pattern has completed. The market needs to come back down to fetch liquidity at the bottom again to continue up to the top. Although that movement coming down could very possibly happen only after the market has broken through my 15,700 area that I'm looking for in the market. So at this stage, we have a sheer load of bullish momentum and the market just wants to follow that. So let's see what the market holds for us. Looking down on the lower time frames, the 4 hour, we had this nice trend that formed there. The market broke out of the trend, came a bit down, but nothing significant, and found this random place of support here in the middle of nowhere, literally in the middle of nowhere, where the market found this support area. So we need to keep this area in our mind. It's going to play a role for at some stage again, this little area that had no previous recognition in the market. So we'll see what the market does around that area at some stage. This area was broken on the 4 hour trend line. It could very possibly mean that our trend line is moving up to this area. We'll see what the market shows us. For now, I'm going to keep it like that and see what the market does around that area, moving up or down, and how it's respecting those zones. But I do expect the market to still come down at some stage to come and retest around about this area. If I look at this area here, I would say that specific zone there is what catches my attention. So if I take my fib on the ABCD pattern and basically move it to that zone. So let's say the market doesn't pull or does pull down from this zone here and does not continue up. If it continues up, my fib will follow. But if it comes down, that is basically where it will be. And I'll start looking for buys at round about that zone again to possibly get in on higher to follow the rest of the trend or the bull momentum to the top. So there's nothing major happening in the market. All of this consolidation throughout the week made it difficult to trade and get great entries in the market. Although there was some areas that you could have caught quite a nice buy or sell, like this area here could have caught a nice sell at that zone, or maybe even a nice buy here at the bottom before the week began and the market just actually yeah, where the market actually just pushed away from. So we'll see what the market holds for us. At this stage, it is bull momentum. We are looking for mostly buys, but we'll wait for the perfect zone in the market to give us that area. I hope this video helps you. If you've got any questions, leave a comment down below. We'll see you in the next video. So thank you for taking the time out to watch this video and spend the time with me analyzing the charts for the week ahead. Please once again click on the like button and the subscribe button, as well as the bell notification. And if you want more information about week trading, go on the website. The link is down in the description. Everything you need will be there, and I'll see you all in the next video. Have a legendary week. Cheers.